So here is another beautiful piece of property we get to set up on again today. And this is the going to be the 40 by 80 Keder tent. See, all the red dirt is where they've leveled it, the ground, for us to put this tent on. So we're doing a tent here, and we've got a walkway to also plywood, about 80-foot walkway, and then 40 by 40 section for the dance ceremony. But yes, this is all of our 2x6 we're doing, and our plywood. Upon arrival to this point right here, took us about 4 hours to get this far, and we had 5 guys on site. So the tent up on 10-foot legs, and all this plywood unloaded, and where it is right now, one row of plywood screwed down. But this was at the end of day 1. We will get the rest of the plywood done tomorrow, along with painting the floor. This tent will also have a liner in it, which I will get a video of as well, and lots of stuff under the tent. Thanks for watching.